Very warm welcome to all of you. In this video, we are going to demonstrate our generative AI chatbot. So, Gen AI chatbot. Here you can go to our Discord forum and join our Discord server. So here you can see in Discord server there are lots of channel available to learn generative AI. So I am in notes and resources channel. So if I ask any question, what is full form of GPT? Yeah, here you can see if you ask any question regarding to any topic, it will give answer. If you ask related to generative AI, it will give more precise answer. So here you can see we ask what is full form of GPT, what is LLM. Yeah, if we ask more descriptive, what is LLM and what is this thing? So here you can see they give very descriptive answer. Not only this thing, if give me 5 project idea to showcase my ML of skills. Yeah, here you can see our answer is not a simple answer, but more generic, means more accurate related to generative AI and in more structured way. Here you can see natural language processing, natural language understanding, question answering, summarize, and translation. This thing they empathize this thing, and still here you can see what they how they we can use this thing. So they provide some more extra point. So if we ask a project idea, here you can see they emphasize project title and this thing. So how you can utilize this our chatbot using join our Discord forum, ask any question, any related. Yeah, thank you so much. This is our Discord. This is a video for how to use our generative AI bot in our Discord server. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.